everybody, today I will be showing you how to make a simple tent in home. So let's start. For the tent what you'll be needing is two chairs. You can take any chair that you have in your home. So I have these two chairs. No matter what color it is, the color does not matter. What matters is the same size and it should be like identical to this. Should be the same means same. So yeah. So see, these are very same, right? So let's start. First, we'll be needing two chairs and then this one big shawl, and then you'll be needing two pillows or clips to stay to hold the shawl tight and tight. So pillows are like very fluffy and very fluffy. So I have taken two pillows that are very fluffy. So and yeah, all you need is some two chairs, then two pillows and one shawl. So let's start. First, what we're going to do is keep the shawl and the pillows aside. And now what I'm going to do is place one of the chairs like this. If you keep it like this, the tent will not work out how you want it to be. So if you keep it like this, it will work more nice. So I'm going to keep it over here. So I'm doing a tent for so that I can, and here actually there's my study table over here. So near the study table I want to fix my tent. So only I have this chair, I'm going to fix it in this place. And if you can see here, see, so there's my study table and it's my couch. So yeah, here I have the another one. So I'm going to place the another one over here. So don't mind the showcase. So yeah. Oh, right over there we have one sofa because I have moved it there so that I can keep the pillows over here. So now we are done placing two chairs here and over here. So now what we'll be doing is take our shawl. I like the color green because it's nature, and I'm taking the color green. Color doesn't matter, I'm telling you again. But I have only this shawl. It's my favorite color also. So let's start to do this. So what we'll be doing now is we'll be placing this shawl in this chair and in this chair. So yeah, first what we'll be doing is take one of the edge and place it right over here like that. You can see. So first like that. I'm gonna keep this over here. Now we are going to take one of the pillow. So it's a bit tough. Yeah. I'm going to keep this pillow down because I don't have another place to keep it. And let's take my pillow. And if you can see, So if you can see, I have placed it like this. The pillows are the holding for our cloth. So yeah, we'll take this other side and start with this.